Hey guys, so today I am trying out the Kinky Curly collection. I already washed my hair and I already deep conditioned. So this is what my hair is looking like out of the shower. So for shampoo, I use the Kinky Curly Come Clean shampoo. This shampoo got all the buildup out of my hair. It got everything out. So I really like this shampoo. And after that, I don't have the Kinky Curly deep conditioner. I think you buy it online and it's called Stellar Strands or something like that. And I know it has protein in it. Instead, I use the Honey's Handmade Melba Sweet Potato and Turmeric Healthy Scalp Hair Mask. So after I rinsed out this deep conditioner, my scalp just felt fresh, it felt revitalized, it smelled so good. My hair felt amazing after this mask. I'm definitely gonna keep using it. So when I deep condition, I use heat and I use my thermal heat cap from Hothead. So I just put it in the microwave and I put it on top of my head and I left that deep conditioner on for about an hour. So we're gonna move into the styling products. I've never used the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, so I'm really excited to try it today, because I heard it's like the Camille Rose Curl Maker, but it's a stronger hold. I'm going to be using the Not Today Detangler by Kinky Curly. And then I'm going to use the Kinky Curly Original Curling Custard, the Natural Styling Gel. So yeah, we're gonna use these two products and we're gonna see if my hair likes them or not. Okay, so I do a side part in my hair, so we're just gonna do that right now. So I'm just gonna part my hair into two. I have two sections. Okay, so starting with the first section, I'm gonna make my hair soaking wet with this water. There's only water in here, there's no conditioner or anything. So now I'm gonna use the Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In Detangler. I've used this before and I love it so much. This is my favorite leave-in. So I'm just gonna take about this much and put it in this section. I love the smell. It smells so good. I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and comb it through. It just defined my curls so well. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Kinky Curly Curling Custard Gel. I wonder what this smells like. Oh my god. Not too fond of the smell. This has horsetail, chamomile, nettle and marshmallow, organic aloe vera juice, agave nectar extract, vitamin E, citric acid. Let's not judge it. So that's what it looks like. It's really slimy. Ew. It reminds me of snot. Ew. Okay. Alright, well, let's try it. I guess I'm gonna take this much. Ew! When I put it on my hair feels really weird. It's hard to explain. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my roots back here. I don't know how this is gonna come out. Like, I'm excited, but I'm also scared because my hair feels so weird with these products in there. The leave-in. And the gel. So I'm gonna use about this much. Ew. Okay. I don't know why that's so funny. It's just like, I feel like it's gonna work really well. I'm just gonna go through it with a wide tooth comb after I put in the leave-in and the gel, just to make sure I got every strand of hair. I always do this with my products, just in case. And do this. I'm not gonna scrunch my hair because that just shrinks it up. and I don't want my hair to be shorter than it already is. So that's the section. Let me show you guys what my hair is looking like. The back right here is really frizzy, but it's always like that no matter what product I use, so annoying. But I'm trying to embrace my frizziness because it's a part of me. I can't get rid of it. So yeah. I'm hoping this gel's a hard hold and it gives me a cast so that I can break it. Because I have to have a cast or my hair won't hold. It'll only hold for like 2 days if it doesn't have a cast. But if it has a cast and my hair is really moisturized, my hair is good for like 6-7 days. I'm gonna do a spin around on my hair so that you guys can see what it looks like with the products in there. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a few hours and then I'll be back and show you guys what my hair looks like, and then I'll diffuse it and then you guys will see the final results. So I just finished blow drying my hair. I diffused it with my diffuser and this is what my hair is looking like. I think it looks really cute. There's a lot of definition and shine. This product is really comparable to the Camille Rose Curl Maker. I feel like it made my hair look really good. I have a lot of volume, I have a lot of definition, and my hair just looks really healthy. I'm liking the results. Bye guys.